Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Infinix is unlocked and on a stable launcher. Once done, open Settings and tap Notifications. You need notifications allowed system-wide, so check the main toggle. If an app's notifications were off, re-enable them now. Next, go to Apps or App Management to find the specific app you want to inspect. This first step sets the stage because Android stores recent alerts per app. You won't find history unless the system permission and app toggles are correct. Once in Notifications, scroll to Notification History and tap it. You'll see a toggle. Turn it on to let Android log incoming alerts. You should understand that enabling it only records alerts from that moment, not past ones, so make sure to activate it before you need older messages. After enabling, you can return to Notification History anytime to see a chronological list of notifications. Make sure to check app-specific entries if you want to filter or find a missed message quickly. You finish by opening Notification History to read or long press entries to copy details. Once you've resolved the issue, you can clear history to free space. If notifications do not appear in history, make sure Do Not Disturb or battery optimization isn't blocking logging, and that the app's notifications are permitted. If the history toggle won't stay on, restart your Infinix, check for system updates, and, if necessary, reset app preferences. That usually fixes stubborn permission or software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.